So edit text, you can provide hint here, and hint is when you don't have any text into the text box. So you can see that hint message. Once you type something into this text box or edit text, that hint will disappear. Okay, now input type, there are numerous types here. If you press Ctrl and spacebar, you can see various options you have. Now see into the palette here on the right side, you can see number, date, time, multi-line text. These all are nothing but input types. Everything is a text box only, edit text only. Just that input type is different. Okay, so by default it is a text. And EMS. So EMS is basically maximum number of characters you can see here. Okay, so for example, if I convert this to text, okay, enter your name. Now this is 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The length of this entire text is 15 characters, right? So if I type 5 here, after 5 characters, you cannot see any text into this text box whenever you are running this app. So you cannot see that thing here in text box. So let's just run this app and check how does it look. Hello. So our app is ready here, and if I click on this text box, I can, let me delete this text first. So I have cleared this text and I will enter the text we want here. Okay, so EMS is basically the property where you can set the width of this text, edit text. Okay, so now the width of this edit text will be 10 characters, but right now we have given match parent here, so it will stretch entirely with the width and it will not show you the desired results. But here if I turn it to wrap content, now I will change this EMS to 85, and as you can see the width is increased, 75, 55, okay, 65, 40. Let's see how much 40 gives you. Okay, see now 40 is something larger also. Now if I put it 10 is something like this. Okay, so EMS is basically the width of how many characters you want to show, and that width will be applicable to the edit text. Okay, that is how EMS will be used. Now let's check the another edit text type or widget. So next is image view. So let's drag and drop this image view here. Okay, so once you drag and drop the image view, it will ask you for the source means the file or the image you want to show. Okay, so see, suppose if I click on this launcher foreground, okay, this is the button I want to show, or suppose if I click on this star. Okay, now if I click OK, it will add some image view. You can see that image is added here. Okay, now for image view there are multiple properties. One is the app SR compact and another is SR, which is source. Okay, SR